Welcome to the Waiver Consulting Group. Thinking about launching a personal care services agency in Arkansas? Here's how you can make a real impact. Under Arkansas Medicaid and the AR Choices Waiver, personal care services help individuals with disabilities, chronic conditions, or age-related needs remain safely in their homes. As a provider, you'll offer essential daily support: bathing, grooming, mobility help, meal prep, medication reminders, and more. To get started, first apply for a home care agency license through the Arkansas Department of Health. Then, enroll as a Medicaid provider through the Arkansas Medicaid portal. Once approved, coordinate with case managers and local agencies to begin receiving referrals. Whether you're helping someone age in place or avoid institutional care, you'll be providing vital, life-changing services. Need help launching? Waiver Consulting Group is here to guide you. Visit waivergroup.com and let's get your agency off the ground.